I want.
Hear the sound?
Yeah.
Trees of Greenland, red roses too. I watched them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue, and I see clouds of white and the brightness of day. I like the dark, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Tito. Tito.
The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. See friends shaking hands, singing, how do you do? They really say, I love you. I hear babies cry and I watch them go. They'll learn much more than we'll know, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Work it, Lito. Work it.
Everybody gotta save themselves. Make the kuleana pono for help the other. And when you make the kuleana, pono,
Pull it,
it's
Lito.
like kind of automatic kind of.
You can do
You
it.
don't need
Pull,
to
Lito.
talk and
Pull.
stuff when it happens. And you just gotta let them, and the stuff just waiting for when you ready. And what happened?
Yeah, Lita.
The colors of the rainbow, so pretty
Good job,
in the
Lita.
sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. See friends shaking hands, singing, how do you do? They really say, I love you. I love you. I hear babies cry and I watch them go. They'll learn much more than we'll know, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful
Tell me when I can go.
Go. I want to see both of you in there. Go ahead.
clouds away and the brightness of day. I like the dark and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by.